No?
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vincent and here tuko hapa Uhuru Park guys, and tunataka kuwatembeza different places guys and see the beauty of the Uhuru Park manze. Leo it's my first time to be here manze, and I'm so excited. The place looks so beautiful. The place looks so charming manze. Acha tuonyeshe how the place looks like. Anza kwa Afya House. Onyeshe vile tu the place, how the place looks. Hapo ukikuja tu na mkoa wako, kisha tu round tu waone vile how the place looks. The place is so beautiful. The place is so charming manze. Kama hapa na mkoa wako. Come, let's go manze. Come to onyeshe how the place looks. This is my first day. Ndio siku ya kwanza guys, kama vile nimewaambia. This is my first day. And guys, come on.
Yeah. Blessing coffee tea.
Hapa na mkoa wako manze. Everything is allowed. Enda in. Come. Alafu guys, kama bado huja subscribe manze, finya hiyo subscriber button hapo na mambo itakuwa fiti kabisa. Kindly support me by subscribing.